folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Ventis, the VDB07SA. Now this would also apply to the 06SA or the 08SA. I just happen to have 7-inch diameter chimney in my shop. So this is going to be such said part number. The SA is the stove adapter. This item is going to be required if you are using a double wall chimney system. Double wall chimney will not connect directly onto the flue collar on your stove. You must have an adapter. Now keep in mind that this double wall adapter is brand specific to your brand of chimney. So this here Ventis adapter will not work with, say, the Duratec or Selkirk chimney pipe. You need to have whatever brand of chimney pipe you have. You must have that corresponding stove adapter to connect your double wall system. Here we have the double wall adapter. This is a 7-inch flue collar. You can see the male end of the adapter is always going to be crimped, and that goes inside the female flue collar on the stove. This is what gives us that tight connection. If you get any creosote, it's going to drop inside the stove, not outside and catch fire on the hot stove top or anything like that. So as you can see, super easy installation. And that is where your stove adapter goes, directly on the flue collar. So here you can see, this is where the other end of the double wall pipe will fit into, and that connection is definitely going to be brand specific. I really hope that you guys found this overview helpful. We do offer a 20% discount off of retail prices, free shipping, and no sales tax on our chimney systems. Keep in mind there are exclusions to free shipping, like if you live in an island or Alaska or out of the country. However, we are more than happy to quote your system, so please give us a call at the office or drop us an email for your custom chimney quote today. If you guys like these videos, please give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.